I love quiet time. Wooby, what are you doing?
Making noise.
Well, yeah, I know, but I'm trying to have some quiet time. Can you do something that isn't so loud?
Oh, of course.
Thank you. Wooby!
What?
What are you doing?
Oh, practicing my barking?
That's also loud.
Oh, sorry. Do you think you can maybe teach me the difference between quiet things and loud things?
Oh, I sure can.
Thank you!
Some things are quiet, like a goldfish swimming around when things are quiet. They barely make a sound. A little library and a ladybug, or a baby bunny hopping on a soft rug. Things that barely make a sound are quiet.
And some things are loud, like a train that's rolling by. When things are loud, they make a lot of noise, like a lion playing trumpet near a rocket launch in the middle of a cheering crowd. Things that make a lot of sound are loud.
But also, some things are quiet, like a family of flies.
Some things are loud, like a thunderstorm on the 4th of July. Some things are quiet and some things are loud.
And if you wouldn't mind, it would be so kind if you were just a little quiet now.